What's up, guys? It's Trevor with Embers Living. Today we're looking at the Ortal E-Lectra series. I'm going to talk to you about what I like about this fireplace, what I don't like about it, and if this is a good solution for you at home. Let's talk electric fireplaces, baby. All right, so this is a very traditional technology type unit. It is an LED type fireplace. You can see here we have the option to have the sides open or closed. What's really cool about that is you can install this like in a front-facing wall, pop off just one of the corners or all the corners. You can take the logs in or out. And then you can also do like a more of a modern ember bed if you wanted to. This is the remote control, and I swear this thing is like literally a Samsung remote control. So it does have Bluetooth Wi-Fi capabilities, but I'm just gonna control it on the remote for the sake of today. So we have a top night light. Let's start with that. Control the dimmer, and I can toggle through different colors. You can decide how bright you want it. I think I kind of like the white, but maybe not that bright. What do you think, Alex?
Yeah, I like the white a little dimmer. Definitely needs to be on though.
All right, so the night light's on just a little bit. Same thing with the ember bed. You can turn it up really bright. I think that's gonna what's gonna dictate that is how bright your room is. All right, my word of caution is if it's too bright, the actual light bulbs can shine through. So you gotta make sure you have a lot of embers and stuff sitting on there, kind of diffusing those light bulbs a little bit. Same thing, we can toggle through different colors and finishes itself. We have thermostat control as well with the heater. You see the log sets look pretty realistic too. And then the flames themselves, let's toggle through the flames so you can make them faster or slow them down. There's like a rainbow flame you can do. You can download different themes to it if you want. Like they have holiday themes if you want to do something a little more festive. Even though it's an LED panel system, a lot of times what happens is the LED panels can sort of wash out that entire background. So here we have like a lot of nice contrast ratio going on, like a deep black background and then flame. And you can tell they're using some sort of stencil. The problem is sometimes with stencils is it can look way too uniform, but we're kind of getting like a pew, 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 pew. So that's like kind of different. It doesn't look like too repetitive. It kind of has like enough variance to it, don't you think, Alex?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I would say this is one of the better looking LED panel fireplaces that I've seen. Now, technology is changing a lot, but the LED technology is still like your bread and butter electric fireplace, where you don't want to break the bank when it comes to budget. So this is gonna be like right in the middle price-wise. And I think it's one of the better looking, I would say it's up there with like a Dimplex, like the Dimplex Evolve and Bold, our best selling technology. This is actually one right above it here. This is our best seller in the LED panels. I think Dimplex has always made one of the best ones. I would consider this a serious competitor. Now, I know what you're saying, Trevor, you always talk about things that are different. To be honest, this is very similar to what is out there a lot in the marketplace. There's so much overlap with the LED panels, but there's a couple features I'm going to give it on why this unit sets itself apart. One, I really do like the flame look itself. I think they do one of the better jobs with the flame appearance. Okay, and then number two, this is one of the only ones that you're going to find that's actually made not in China. So this is made in England. It's a British product. So that's where it's actually made and manufactured. So that's really going to set it apart because there's nothing else. I mean, almost 99% of electric fireplaces are coming out of China. So that's kind of cool. If that's important to you, that's a cool feature about this fireplace. But just a good old tried and true, very solid electric fireplace. One other thing I want to mention is it's moderately priced. So it's like right in the middle price point. So if you're on, I hate calling it a budget because it's not a cheap unit, but it's just a nice middle of the road. I think it stands out in that sort of middle pack type unit. So this is the Ortal E-Lectra series. This video is posting like right for Black Friday. It is on sale for Black Friday. So we're gonna include the link below. You can get a really good deal on this right now.